Imagine this, you're on a plane, no Wi-Fi, and you're trying to stay on top of your work. You've got a million tasks running through your head, and you need a way to keep them organized. Can you use Asana without internet? Let's find out. Have you ever been in a situation where you've had to work offline, but you still needed to access your tasks and projects? Maybe you're traveling, or your internet connection is unreliable. Asana is a popular project management tool, but can it be your go-to solution even when you're disconnected from the digital world? Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand a bit about Asana. It's a cloud-based platform, which means it primarily relies on an internet connection to function. But don't worry, there's a twist. Mobile app. One of the most convenient ways to use Asana offline is through its mobile app. The app allows you to sync your tasks and projects, so you can access them even when you're not connected to the internet. This means you can review your to-do list, update task statuses, and even add new tasks while you're on the go. Offline mode. Once you've synced your data, Asana's offline mode kicks in. This feature ensures that your tasks, projects, and comments are available for viewing and editing, even without an internet connection. You can still create new tasks, assign them to team members, and add due dates. However, there are a few limitations. Syncing. While you can create and edit tasks offline, your changes won't be synced to the cloud until you reconnect to the internet. This means there's a risk of data loss if you don't sync your changes regularly. Real-time collaboration. Asana is designed for real-time collaboration, and that's difficult to achieve without an internet connection. You won't be able to see changes made by other team members in real time, and comments and messages won't be delivered immediately. Limited features. Some features, such as custom fields and advanced reporting, may not be available or may have limited functionality in offline mode. Tips for using Asana offline. Sync regularly. Make sure to sync your data frequently to avoid data loss. Plan ahead. If you know you'll be working offline for an extended period, plan your tasks and projects accordingly. Use offline-friendly features. Focus on features that are available offline, such as creating tasks, assigning them to team members, and adding due dates. Consider alternatives. If you need to collaborate in real time or access advanced features, you may want to consider using a different tool or waiting until you have an internet connection. So, can you use Asana without internet? The answer is yes, but with some limitations. The mobile app and offline mode make it possible to access and manage your tasks and projects even when you're disconnected. But it's important to understand the limitations and plan accordingly. If you're looking for a project management tool that can keep you organized both online and offline, Asana is definitely worth considering. Give it a try and see if it's the right fit for your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.